The next question that gets asked of me is, do I need a website or can I just use YouLi? Okay. And the short answer is yes, you can just use YouLi. You don't have to have a website. Why would you want one? Why would you need both? Why would you need, a website as well as YouLi? Well, again, that comes down to some questions you need to ask yourself. And what you're weighing up there is ease of use and the traveler experience. So if you have a website and then you push them to YouLi, that's not a bad experience, because YouLi handles all the trip experiences and all the easy things that are easy to do. Now, with some clients, when I work with them, I often refer to YouLi as the Squarespace of the travel industry, because it's so easy to put a trip up. It's so easy to make it pretty. It's so easy to get it going and throw your tasks in there and, reminders for people, payment platforms. To do that on a website is incredibly difficult, and you need to throw quite a bit of money at it. You would not get the same experience for your travelers easily. If you had both, that's fine too. You can use the main website, assuming you've got good SEO, to attract attention and then funnel them towards the trips that you want them to book on YouLi. If you're pressed for time, you absolutely can just have YouLi and use it as your website, the same way that people would use Facebook just as their only, kind of place for people to go to. But again, the question is, what is more important to you? Do you have the time to keep content on both? And do you want to create a brand that's separate on your website with other functions and features that are outside of trips? Do you want to run a monthly blog series and then use that content to boost your SEO? Because if the answer is yes, then you need both. You need a website and you need to push to YouLi. Okay.